What's up everybody, I'm Alex Kemp and welcome to SHAPESHIFT Studio A for today's Studio Quick Tip. We're going to be going over light stands and how to use them and how to best set them up when you're setting up your lighting. Okay, so when you're setting up a normal light stand just like this, they call these medium or light duty light stands, you're going to ignore at the very bottom this thumb screw because this doesn't do anything for you right now. So make sure that's tight and ignore it. Now you go up right here where all the legs kind of come together and there's another thumb screw here. This is the one you're going to use to open up a light stand. So we'll simply untwist it just like this, pull on the legs, and what we want is for the bottom, these right here, we want those to be parallel with the ground. We don't want them like this. We don't want it like this. We just need it parallel to the ground. The reason is that's going to give you the widest base and the most stability to your light stand. Okay? So once you have that set just like that, make sure this is tight. We're going to go to the actual risers here. So if you put your light on, you put it on right here, you're going to start by raising the top. You don't start at the bottom, you don't start at the middle. So we'll raise the top just like that. Then if you need to go higher, you go to the next one. And here's the reason why. Because when you do this one, you're going to push this thumb screw and riser way up. So if you really need the light stand up high, by the time you get to the bottom one, right, it's going to be out of reach. And the only thing you're going to have to adjust is this bottom one. Compared to starting with the bottom, like this, if you do this, well now all your other extensions are already up here. So then if you start with the middle one, well now you've completely lost the ability to reach and extend the very top of this. So just to recap, you're going to work your way from the bottom of the light stand, ignoring the very bottom thumb screw, to the second one here that's going to control the legs. You're going to make sure that these are just parallel to the ground for the most stability. And then you're going to start at the very top when you're raising your light up and down.